Alright, so since a lot of people usually ask what the requirements are for a course, valid question to ask before you take something, I'm going to go over it quickly. So to start off, you don't need any prior experience with programming at all. So you're a complete new guy to programming and you want to go over the concepts of overall code, I'm going to explain it, so no problem with that. And next up, you'll probably need access to a script playground, also known as a local server. And if you don't know what that is, that's no problem. I'm actually going to work on like a little tutorial in here just after this that will explain how to set up a PHP environment, which is a local server. I'll explain what all that is, but it's just something you'll need. Shouldn't be a problem. The ability to navigate a computer. I assume that since you're on an internet browser, most likely, and you're watching a video, you probably know how to navigate a computer decently. Understanding of basic math concepts. Alright, just the basic stuff. Arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, some mental math would be nice, and logic and reasoning is very important. So just don't be irrational. You need to know how to sort things out, problem solve. Always good. Fluent in the English language. This is actually very important, and it's too bad considering a lot of people would be brilliant programmers, but English is a big barrier and it's a wall to pass through if you want to program. So make sure you know English decently. If you don't, you're still able to learn, but just for the sake of this tutorial, it might be a little hard to understand me, of course. Patience. Patience, my friend, young one. No. Patience is a virtue, as I've always heard, and it's completely true with programming. Don't give up. You can't give up. And you're going to face times in this course, I guarantee you, where you're going to sit there just gritting your teeth together because you're going to want to give up. And determination and fighting spirit, tying in with patience, sounds corny, right? But it is so, so true. I can't even, yeah. Because, as I said, with patience, you're going to be so upset sometimes trying to figure out what your error is, and then 2 hours later you'll realize you're missing one letter, or you made a typo in code 4 lines above, and you'll just be dumbfounded that you didn't see it. So like I said, just don't give up, meet the requirements, and try your best, because with some time, dedication, effort, you will make it far. So anyway, enough of this jabber. Let's move on to the actual tutorial, shall we? That's what this is for. Alright, so on to the first section.